Welcome to COMM 1010. I'm Dr. Karen Anderson-Lain. I am the director of COMM 1010, and if you started looking at the start here in Module 1, you'll know that in addition to me this semester, you also have 3 instructors, Shannon, Sarah, and Ruth, and one of those instructors will be grading your materials this week. So each week I'm going to post a quick message, and in that message I'm going to give you details and updates on key assignments and events that you need to accomplish for this week. So for this week, there's a lot of independent online learning that you're going to be engaging in. The way the course is set up is that you have materials that you're supposed to read from the book. We have 2 books that you're going to need to get. The Communication and Action Workbook, the 2018-2019 edition, has some readings in it in addition to some information about your assignments. And then the Communication and Age, 2nd edition, 3rd edition, whichever edition you can find should work. That's it about the books. You can read the rest of the information about the syllabus online in the Start Here area. So that brings us to what you're supposed to accomplish for this week. During our first week of class, we're going to be covering our Start Here information and Module 1. Module 1 actually has 3 specific topics that focus on the foundations of communication. In that module, you will specifically be doing things like exploring the role of communication, the historical foundations of communication, the importance of perception, as well as verbal and nonverbal communication. So with this in mind, a couple of things I want to point out for you about the assignments. You'll have a couple of quizzes due this week, as well as some online activities that ask you to go out and look at something or reflect on something that is a short paragraph, 6 to 8 sentences writing that you'll do. Those are all going to be due on Sunday, but we also have discussion forums, and discussion forums is your opportunity to get to know each other in the class and to reflect on concepts that we're covering in the videos and in the reading material. And these discussions for this week, we're asking that you go in and do discussion 1 and discussion 2, that you try to make your initial post by Wednesday of this week. So in 2 days, you need to be making that initial post. And then after you post initially, you can reply to other people's posts, and we're asking if you could please do that by Sunday. So this week, foundations of communication, historical communication, definition of communication, perception, verbal and nonverbal, 2 quizzes, 2 online activities, and 2 discussion forums. At the end of this first module, the Foundations of Communication, we will also have Exam 1. Because the course has presentation components and other components related to teamwork to the course, we don't have some big comprehensive final. Instead, we have 3 exams. And so that first exam, exam number 1, is all on the material you're going to cover this week, and it will open at the end of the week, and you'll have until next Tuesday to finish it up. So this week really focused on you getting online, using the tools online, and engaging in the online content just to get us started for this week. No other big assignments. And that's it for this week. Have a great first week. Please email us if you have questions.